want me to escort you off the property? Leave. You're trespassing.
I can't slow down, I can't hold back, though you know I wish I could.
Once you're filming, you're on private property. You're not allowed to film. Do you want me to escort you off the property? Leave. You're trespassing.
Well, there you have it, everybody. Another uneducated security guard telling me I'm trespassing as I am standing right here. He says I'm on his property. I guess we're gonna have to hang out here. Idiots. Now when I cross, he gets real nervous because I come over to his guard check and he gets real nervous. Should have stayed out of my business, man.
Stay out of your business for what? This is a company. It's my job to protect it.
I'm on public property. You told me that I'm trespassing. You're wrong.
Okay, great. Well, you're just
Okay, great. You're okay, great.
Do you have an identification card with you? Do you work for the city? Do you work for the state?
Do I need one?
Yeah, you do.
Dude, you're just digging yourself a hole.
Hey.
You're uneducated, man.
Yeah, I'm uneducated.
You are. Telling me that I'm on your property when I'm on a sidewalk.
You have no business filming here.
Says who? It's a First Amendment protected activity, dude.
What is your business here?
Doesn't matter my business. It doesn't matter my business. My business is none of your business.
Leave or what?
The cops are going to come and they're going to tell you that you're a fool. Call him. Call him. Call him. I'll wait. I'll wait. Call him. Call him. Call him. You're uneducated, man. Call people with guns. You're uneducated, fool. What I'm doing is none of your business. What's your BISF number, dude? Identify your name and BISF number. You're a security guard, dude.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, identify yourself, dude. You're gonna lose your job. I'm gonna find out who you are, man. I'll find out who you are. Telling me I'm on your property. You're an idiot. Remember that. When you go to bed, you're an idiot. My business is not your business. Okay, he'll tell me to leave. What if he tells you that you're an idiot? Hey, buddy, are you his supervisor? I'll be arrested? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, they're gonna come and tell you I'm on public property. I'm allowed to do this. You're telling me that this is your property. You just told me that this sidewalk is your property. It's not your property, man. He's an idiot, dude. Huh? Yeah, call him. Is Joe the boss? Well, he's calling the cops. Okay. Yeah, look at the cameras, dude. I never went on your property. He's saying that this sidewalk is your property. Dude, you know nothing about civil rights. You didn't even know that I can film in public. You're an idiot. Oh, don't be a crybaby. Don't be a crybaby. You're an idiot crybaby, man. Okay, climb over the fence and make a threat. You just made a threat of physical violence, dude. You're an idiot. Make more threats of doing violence. You're gonna jump over the fence and pound my ass. That's what you just said. Don't make physical threats, dude. Don't make physical threats. Dude, you better restrain your boy here. He's making physical threats on me. You just educated him what I can do and he's still angry. What's the name of the security company? Oh, well, I'll find out. If you don't want to tell me, I'll call up. He cannot make physical threats of violence to me, man. He cannot tell me that this sidewalk is your property. I don't need anything in writing. No. No. Yeah, and this is public. Anything I can see from public, man. Your eyes can't be trespassed. Because it's none of your business. Isn't it? Hey, you know what, dude? You're an idiot. You're an idiot, dude. Make it as a guard here, making a physical threat of violence, dude. Refusing your name on identification. You're gonna lose your job, buddy. Company's not gonna like it. They got the security cameras. Just go back.
Okay, so the owner of this building that you're filming is coming to talk to you, okay?
I don't care what you say. You're an idiot.
Listen, bro, now's not the time.
Hey, you engaged me. Shut up. So the guy also that came out is an idiot too, because he's saying I need written permission to film from here. They're all idiots. Let's see if the owner comes out and he's an idiot too. Bunch of crybabies here. You Joe? You own it? You the owner or supervisor or something? Okay, so Joe, I go out and I record in public. I give shout outs to businesses in the neighborhood because of the COVID, what's going on, you know, how they're helping the community. So I'm out here on this public sidewalk, and your security guard, who's highly uneducated and very aggressive, threatened me with violence, told me, first he asked me what I'm doing. First of all, I don't need to tell him, because once I disseminate what my story is, it can be snuck out there already. So I got to keep it until I publish it. So I don't have to tell him. I didn't answer him. He got highly aggressive, told me that I'm on your property, I'm on a sidewalk, this sidewalk and the easement is your property, and that he's going to have me arrested for trespassing, and that he told me, we had words, and he told me that he's going to jump over the fence and pound my ass. Okay, so what I need from you, I'm not out here for any ill intent. I came out to do a story here, and now the story becomes him. So what I need from you is I need, he contracts with you. I need the name of this. Go ahead.
He's not my employee, and we don't contract him.
Who's he work for then?
He works for Amazon Trucking, which is one of our tenants here.
Okay.
Okay, so
I got to go through them to find out then.
yeah.
Do you know at least? Can you at least help me, Joe?
He's not my employee.
I'm with you. I won't lead you down the rabbit hole. Can you at least be aware? Do you know the name of the company he works for?
Yeah, Amazon Trucking.
That's a security company, though.
No, he's an independent contractor for you guys. Yeah, they're one of our tenants. So I understand. I mean, I don't know what he told you or anything.
I just told you, man.
Hang on.
I'm not making fairy tales.
No. I'm saying. I don't know what he told you. I wasn't witness to it, but I understand where you're coming from, and I apologize for that.
Well, you don't have to apologize to him,
No,
dude.
I do, because he's on our property, so I will do that. Okay. But,
Okay, I thank you for that. The most I could ask you is, because you're a cordial guy, we're having a casual conversation. I got no ill intent. But when you come at me that way, respect gets respect. So when he threatens to do bodily harm to me, it takes it to a new level. All right? So the best I could ask you, if you could please tell him that what I'm doing is perfectly legal, and if he wants to apologize to me and say he was wrong, I won't go and file charges.
I'll talk to him right now.
I'll wait for an apology,
And then,
we're good to go.
but as far as the filming, as long as you're not on our property, that's.
I know that. I would never come on private property. Thank you, Joe. All right, guys. Here we have it. Let's see if this guy's gonna apologize. Yeah, I'm not on the property. I wouldn't come on the property. Unfortunately, all your businesses would have looked great for this story, and now what he's doing is making it look terrible. Yep. Let's see how this ends up, everybody. Let's see if he apologizes. Otherwise, I'll just follow through. Hey man, you can apologize and say you were misunderstood.
I'm sorry.
Okay, you got it, bro. I accept your apology. Yeah, I don't need written permission. And now he's telling him. I know. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. But no, he told me I can't even be here, man. He told me I can't be here. He said, this is your property. So, see, he can apologize to me, and I won't press charges.
We're not all the same. We don't think the same, you know.
In his face. Listen to him. In his face. Now he's making up lies that a camera was in his face. I never even approached him. Don't lie. He's not going to apologize. The other guy apologized. I said the other guy apologized. He understood, because the other guy said I need written permission. I said no, I didn't, but he understood now. So I guess he's not going to apologize. No. All right. Yeah, I'm going to press charges on him to his company. He's a complete moron, but I appreciate you taking the time, man. Yeah, it's all good. He's an idiot. You guys, I mean, Amazon should hire somebody who's got an IQ higher than a pissant. I'm on here. You have a good one, man. Hey, dude, I'll be calling your company. I'll be calling your company. You're an idiot. Remember that when you go to bed and wake up, you're an idiot. When you go to bed, remember you're an idiot. And when you wake up, remember you're an idiot. And remember, don't threaten people that you're going to pound their ass. There you go, everybody. Another idiot. All right, Joe. Amazon trucking. So we'll find it.
Hell no, to the no, 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 yeah, to the